How to make a full-screen TikTok video on Capcut. If you have a 16:9 video like this video for example, you can see that the upper and lower parts of it are black, and this because the default aspect ratio of TikTok is 9:16. This way, the video doesn't get cropped. So if you're using Capcut to edit your videos, I'll show you two options to make it full screen. One way to do it is by simply zooming into the video. This crops some areas of the video, focusing only the important part. First, open your project or create a new project in Capcut and add your video. At the bottom, tap on Ratio and change it to 9:16, which is TikTok's default ratio. Then tap on the check icon. Tap on Edit. All you need to do now is zoom into the video until the black parts disappear. Now it's full screen. This is not applicable to all videos, so here's option number 2, by adding a background. Go back and in the menu at the bottom, swipe to the left and tap on Canvas. You can add a color, a background, and even upload your own background. And also add a blurred version of your video in the background. Then tap on the check icon at the bottom right corner to save. And finally, tap on the export button on the top right corner and upload to TikTok. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.